Assalamu alaikum. Today the lecture is fertility and its measures. Fertility. By fertility is meant the actual bearing of children. Some demographers prefer to use the word natality in place of fertility. So natality or fertility near about same. It is the actual bearing of children of a woman. A woman's reproductive period is roughly from 15 to 45 years, a period of 30 years. A woman married at 15 and living till 45 with her husband is exposed to the risk of pregnancy for 30 years and may give birth to 15 children. But this maximum is rarely achieved. Fertility depends on several factors. The higher fertility is attributed to universality of marriage, lower age at marriage, low level of literacy, poor level of living, limited use of contraception, and traditional way of life. So all these factors which depends on fertility, and these factors are related very much in our socio-economic culture. Now we discuss all these factors which affects the fertility. Number one is age at marriage. This is very important. The age at which a female marries and enters the reproductive period of life has a great impact on her fertility. They collected data on fertility on a national scale and found that females who marry before the age of 18 give birth to a large number of children than those who married after 18. Some demographers have estimated that if marriages were postponed from the age of 16 to 2021, the number of births would decrease by 20 to 30%. So the age at marriage is very important and it plays a great role in fertility. The number two is the duration of married life. Studies indicate that 10 to 25% of all births occur within 1 to 5 years of married life. 50 to 55% of all births within 5 to 15 years of married life. Births after 25 years of married life are very few. This suggests that family planning efforts should be concentrated in the first few years of married life in order to achieve tangible results. The next is spacing of the children. Studies have shown that when all births are postponed by 1 year in each age group, there was a decline in total fertility. It follows that spacing of children may have a significant impact on the general reduction in fertility rates. Next is education. There is an inverse association between fertility and educational status. Education provides knowledge, increase exposure to information and media, builds skills for gainful employment, increase female participation in family decision making, and raises the opportunity cost of women times. So education also has effect on fertility. The next factor is economic status. Operational research studies support the hypothesis that economic status bears an inverse relationship with fertility. The total number of children born decline with an increase in per capita expenditure of the household. The World Population Conference at Bucharest in fact stressed that economic development is the best contraception. It will take care of population growth and bring about a reduction in fertility. Next factor is caste and religion. Muslims have a higher fertility than Hindus. The National Family Health Survey reported that total fertility rate of 3.09 among Muslims as compared to 2.65 among Hindus. The total fertility rate among Christians was found to be 2.35. This is the data of India. Next factor is nutrition. There appears to be seen some relationship between nutritional status and fertility level. Virtually all well-fed societies have low fertility and poorly fed society high fertility. The effect of nutrition on fertility is largely indirect. The next and most important is family planning. Family planning is another impact factor in fertility reduction. In a number of developing countries, family planning have been a key factor in declining fertility. Family planning programs can be initiated rapidly and require only limited resources as compared to the other factors. Another factor, fertility is affected by a number of physical, biological, social and cultural factors such as the place of women in society, value of children in society, widow marriages, breastfeeding, customs and belief, industrialization and urbanization, better health condition, housing opportunity for women and local community involvement. Attention to these factors require long-term government program and vast sums of money. So all these factors influences the fertility of that area of that country.